rested my arm right on the box of the guitar, letting my hand just fall right in front of the sound hole. Flat picking is picking up and down. Starting off with the C chord, the G7, back to